welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great and everyone is safe and sound. So today I didn't went college, guys. Like I'm feeling very tired, uh, and there is a lot of work for me to do at home. There is no one in my home today, so it's everything is my job. Like from cooking breakfast to from cooking dinner, everything is up to me today. And next, today I'm gonna show you everything what I'm doing today. I hope you enjoy this vlog, guys. Like if you have any suggestions, feel free to give me in the comment section, and tell me how is this vlog in comments, guys, so it will give me some feedback to make more better videos. And so watch this vlog.
For today's lunch, I'm going to make Indian egg curry with some white rice, guys. Currently, I'm washing dishes, guys. It's actually a never-ending work. On other side, I have to cover related college things also. I feel like life is going very slowly, isn't it? Guys, how is your life going? You can always share with me in comments. I made a drink for myself. It's still sunny, yet weather is beautiful in this evening time. Actually, it's been cold from past 2 days and even rain, but seems like the beautiful weather is going away because today it's very sunny, guys. Doing nothing, sitting here, just embracing this evening and thinking about life, how it's going to be. I always think like this: if one thinks positively and do good affirmations every day, life will be good little bit. and universe will make everything come true that you wish. Keep believing. Always keep believing. And go on your way. Have trust in yourself. You can make it. Anyways, I enjoyed my drink. It's good. See you in another vlog, guys. Take care. Bye bye.